MCC Just Motos. The first mod that I have is my Harley-Davidson seat. It is a hammock seat. Now, it's a much more comfortable seat than the stock seat. You can see it's 2 up. It was kind of a pain to install. I had to change some of the mounting brackets under the fender for the handle, the grab handle there. Had to change the mounting position for the grab handle there. It was okay. There is a bit of a tank gap, as in all Super Glides, but it is much more comfortable for myself and, more importantly, a passenger. Now, to go along with the passenger, I did install a backrest, and I bought an Amazon backrest. I'm not extremely pleased with it. It said it worked for a street blob. It said it worked for a street bob or a softail. The reason I went with this backrest is because it came with a little package tray there, and I just wanted some extra utility. It's supposed to be quick release, but I promise you it will pop right out because it is. These are too wide for the fenders, even though they have extra install buttons right there, or install mounting points. They like pop out. So in order to actually install everything, this took hours to get just right. You had to get the seats, you had to get the backrest, you had to get the package tray and the backrest all installed together, and then get these on, and then back the mounting brackets out a little bit more than stock, and then screw them in. It was so hard to figure out and how to do. I don't really recommend it. Additionally, so if you're gonna get a backrest, I recommend go with a Harley-Davidson backrest, not the Amazon special. I will put a link if you want the package tray. That was the only way for me to do it, but it was a pain in the butt to do. Really hard to figure it out. Also, the stock backrest was too thick. I cut about 1 inch off of the foam padding. There's a zipper underneath there, and it pushed the passenger up about another inch, so I cut 1 inch off, and it looks the same. It doesn't look terrible, but it gives them a lot more room. So that's the biggest change, is just the seat and the backrest with package tray. Theoretically, I could take off the seat with a quick release, but yeah, does not go in good, because you have to unscrew those to loosen all sorts of things. Yeah, we'll catch you in the next episode. Please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.